Let's start by checking the walls. Right, this section is unstable. Look at these cracks, significant. The roof is sagging, we need to brace it. Document that. Let's start with this table. Got it. I'll clear this pile. Careful with the dust. It's getting lighter in here. Let's get this paint off. Sanding it down now. Applying the finish. Glass is in. Looks brand new.
The final reveal, our beautifully restored home, a true transformation. From the fresh exterior to the clean garden, the entire neighborhood shines. A perfect before and after, capturing the joy of restoration.